he or she?
I'll see. Maybe we'll know. You know, see the legs. This is the head.
He's moving, no?
Yeah, it's moving.
Yan, ganun. Papa niya. Skiing.
This is the heartbeat. See? This is the face, you know.
The face?
Yeah.
I know.
See. He opened the mouth.
I know.
He open?
Yeah. Very nice. Very good.
Mukha na yung mangboy. Ayun na, nakaharap. Ayun na.
Only one?
Only one.
Nagtumbling
Only one is enough, you know. Really.
Not twins?
No, only one. It's a
Tingin mo
boy.
ate
It's a
baboy.
boy.
It's a
Marami
boy?
It's a boy. This is the thing.
It's a boy.
Yeah, you want boy.
Ayaw.
Yeah? I think boy is good because he's big
May
one.
Stephen
You
na
know?
naman.
The big baby should be a boy, you know.
He's
And
big.
Margaret
He's
also got
big.
Ralph, you know. So you will also get.
Binggoy ko naman kasi nangalay na ako.
Hindi,
Makikita mo.
side mo lang dyan.
This is the boy's thing, you know. See? One leg, another leg in between. See, it's a boy.
Nakabuka ka siya.
See?
Hindi ko maninag. Nakaganon. Like, sitting, ano?
That's very good, isn't it? The elder one should be a boy, you know. After that, a girl should come. You know?
Parang babae na itong nakikita ko.
Naka-video ba siya?
And it's about 278 grams, the weight is.
It's okay.
It's very much okay.
He's moving, huh?
It's moving.
Can I see?
Yeah, why not? You can see. You can see the baby. See? This is the head, this is the heart, and the baby is moving, you know.
Ate, ito, dito mo.
And it's very normal.
Ito,
It's very normal.
I'll take this
It's
picture.
normal.
Yeah,
But
it's
sometimes she's aching.
yeah, itching,
Aching.
aching. That's
Pain.
not a problem.
It's normal.
It's all very nice.
How about this, her...
Which one?
She has pain done.
Where do you have pain? In the neck? See.
You can show them now.
It's good. See?
Sheila.
Baby is
How old is she now?
18 weeks.
18 weeks.
18 years old.
What?
It's very good.
It's here.
Yeah, it's a baby boy.
Surprise
That's
sana
good
eh.
news, no?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, the boy.
We can borrow that,
You can
every day.
print it.
I printed. I took one picture.
Ayun na, oh. Ay, hindi pa na palang anak yun.
I took one picture of the baby lying down.
This is the head.
Yeah, this is the head. This is the chest. Very good.
It's very big.
No, it's good.
It's good.
It's normal.
It's
It's
normal.
normal. Yeah.
Dami sila.